brisk walk, followed by some good pranayam, and then healthy food habits. In spite of doing all these things, one thing which can keep you more healthy sorry, during this phase of life is Rasayan Sevan. The definition of Rasayan is any herb which can stop your aging process. We call it Vayasthapan, and maintain that age for a longer time and maintain the same rigor and vitality in the body for a longer time is called as Rasayan. Rasayans are of different types. Chyawanprash is one of the Rasayan. There are certain disease specific Rasayans also, and there are common Rasayans as per your Prakruti also, or in general as per the season also. So Rasayan Sevan, taking a specific Rasayan early morning, empty stomach, and starting your day with that Rasayan can actually keep you maintain the rigor and vitality and keep you healthy for a longer time. So three major things which I have covered. One is Abhyanga, to maintain the tone of the muscles, to avoid the wrinkles of the skin, and Abhyanga also helps to ignite your digestive fire. Applying oil to the skin ignites your digestive fire. In this age we are saying digestive fire is getting weak, so doing Abhyanga is actually going to help you to ignite it. In this age we are saying Dhatu Poshan, the bones are getting weak, applying oil is going to make your bones strong, keep your muscles strong. So Abhyanga is one thing which I would like to stress upon. Second thing I would like to stress upon is your dinners. It should be minimum half or skip dinners. You cannot sleep empty stomach, but you have to have something light which is easy to digest in terms of your dinners. Third thing is Rasayan Sevan. So Rasayan would be of two types. For a healthy person it could be a Rasayan as per the season or as per their body type, or for a diseased person it could be a medicine specific for that disease along with a Rasayan for that disease. You understand, every disease there is a specific medicine to treat that disease, but also there is certain herb which actually acts as a tonic, as a specific, you can say, energy booster for that specific disease. So you should be meeting a good Vaidya to understand, because if it is a metabolic disorder it cannot get cured in this age, but you can actually maintain it and you can maintain your good body health status in spite of that disease for a longer time and postpone your major illness or complications of the diseases which you are facing. You can postpone it by 10, 15, 20 years till the age of 75. So Rasayan Sevan is going to play a major role, and maintaining a good Agni. These are the three things which actually, in terms of food and lifestyle, if you think about Panchakarma, the Panchakarma which we can do in this age are very limited. Like Panchakarma consists of 5 major treatments: Vaman, that is vomiting; Virechan, that is purgation, drug induced purgation; Basti, that is medicated oil or medicated kashaya enema; Nasya, that is medicated oil through the nose; and Rakta Mokshan, that is bloodletting. Then there are other things like Shirodhara, Patra Potli Swed, Shashtishali Swed. As per the requirement we do it, but these are the 5 main karmas. In this age the best Panchakarma which can be done after the age of 50, 55 is Basti. There are certain Bastis or certain enemas which are where the medicated oil or medicated milk or medicated kashaya is introduced per annus, and this medicine actually has an effect on the whole body in terms of aging, in terms of strengthening the bones, in terms of getting glow on your face, in terms of igniting your digestive fire, in terms of most of the problems which you face, age related problems, all this can be reverted by taking proper Basti after every 6 months. How does this happen? Basti is a treatment for Vayu. Vayu is predominant in this age. So Vayu stays in the bones. The place where Vayu stays in the body is the bones. So if you can control the, or if you can balance the Vayu in this age, then that balance will help you to maintain the strong bones and strong muscles and prevent aging. So if you can control Vayu, so the best thing to control Vayu is Abhyanga, and the second best thing is Basti. So Abhyanga followed by a proper steam, and then a enema, disease specific, season specific, or normal basic enema taken per annus every 6 months can keep a person healthy for a longer time. And the best thing about enema is each disease, it is just a mode of administration of the medicine. If you are taking medicines orally, the digestive fire has to act on it, then it has an effect on the body. But if you are taking it through enema, it goes directly to the bloodstream and you can see the results immediately. So enema is a treatment everyone should go for after the age of 50. Every 6 months, different medicated enemas are almost 550 different enema recipes are available. So as per the requirement, the enema can be given by your own physician. Sorry. So Panchakarma part is Basti. Then there is one more Panchakarma which is called as Nasya. So doing Anutel Nasya, a healthy person doing Anutel Nasya, that is introducing medicated oil, 2 drops in both the nostrils in the morning and during bed, can keep you healthy or keep the sensory organs healthy for a longer time. So doing Nasya can also help to keep your eyes and all other senses intact. That is one Panchakarma which can be done apart from Abhyanga and Basti. And apart from that, in case of pain or in case of diseases, disease specific Panchakarmas can be done except for Vaman and Virechan. Vaman and Virechan, which are very rigorous procedures, they are not done after the age of 50 or 55. But Rakta Mokshan, like applying a leech or doing some bloodletting, can be done in case it is required. Also doing using the leaves of different plants, fresh leaves, and doing Patra Potli Swed, or using medicated, using rice, cooked rice with medicated milk and doing massage. This can help to keep your muscles and keep your bones stronger. We call it Patra Potli and Shastishali Swed. Patra Potli is fresh herbs are used for massage, and in Shastishali, cooked rice with mixed with some medicated milk is used for massage. It helps to strengthen the muscles and to maintain the tone of the muscles. So these are the specific Panchakarmas which can be done. Even Karana Puran, like Nasya, we introduce oil in the nose. Karana Puran, introducing medicated oil into the ears, is actually helpful because it helps to maintain the balance of Vat in the body. Lukewarm medicated oil introduced into the ears. In terms of food, I said early dinners, less quantity dinners, timely meals, avoid junk food. One more thing which can be done is castor oil can be taken at regular intervals. Castor oil actually is a laxative, but it also ignites your digestive fire at the same time and also balances the Vata in the body. So in some traditionally, we have seen some people applying castor oil to the wheat before they churn it into the flour. Castor oil is applied. That castor oil actually helps in balancing the Vat in the body. If you are not applied it to the wheat before it is churned, you can add 1 spoon of castor oil while preparing the dough for preparing the chapati, and then cook chapati out of it. So having castor oil in small quantities, regular intervals, or having 1 spoon every 15 days is going to help you to maintain the Vat in the body. The whole picture during Vruddha Avastha, the only thing which you have to balance is Vata, because Vata is going to do a rigorous wear and tear of the body. The more you balance it, the process will slow down. The more you don't care for it, the process will be rigorous and the person can get into a diseased state. So the main aim during this age is to balance the vata. It could be by food, it could be by lifestyle, it could be by doing some good exercise or doing abhyanga or doing basti. The whole thing, the whole criteria in this age moves around vata dosha. So we should have our food accordingly. Too much of heavy meals, too much of, because digestive fire is weak, eating too much of maida or potatoes or stale food like bakery products, stale food, too much of besan, this could increase, aggravate the vata. Cold, too much of cold food can aggravate vata, but otherwise all the food can be had as per the season. You can have normal meals, but the dinner should be minimum. That is what you should follow in terms of food. That's it. You can ask your questions.
Panchakarma can be helpful in diseases like filariasis?
Yeah. Filariasis, Panchakarma, specifically we do bloodletting in the inguinal region. It could be with a syringe or with the leech also. Yeah, Chyawanprash, any rasayan should be taken morning, empty stomach, and till half hour or till 45 minutes after taking rasayan, you should not take anything. It could be Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash is one type of rasayan, but there are other rasayans also. So you can have any of the rasayan which you are comfortable with or which suits your body or the season. Yes.
What can be done for premature graying of hair?
Premature graying of hair, food and lifestyle. It's actually difficult to revert it. But actually I think sleeping on time and having timely meals, having less of spicy food can help. Less spicy food, sleeping,
Treatment option
no treatment option. It is a process where it has happened. It is very difficult. It is possible by doing panchakarma, by removing the toxins out, doing seasonal panchakarma which we do, Vaman, Virechan, Basti, doing this regularly can actually help you to revert that process. But if you feel just by applying some oil, or it actually doesn't happen like that, because it is an internal process which is reflecting in terms of graying of hair.
In Ayurveda, is there anything that conforms to something like multivitamin?
Multivitamin. This is rasayan.
That would take.
Rasayan takes